Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the Control4 NEEO remote, how to set up. So this is the box, so I'm going to open. You can see what all things are there inside. So this is a remote, so I'm going to remove this. So this is the remote. It's very slim. Now I will open the box. So in the box you can see there is a adapter, the USB. You can change the plug. We have a different type of plugs, and this is the dock station. It's a bit heavy. You can see it's smaller, but it's very heavy. And this is the cable, USB to the adapter cable, the dock. One side is USB and other side is like a round type. And in this box, these are the plugs. We have different type of plugs. You can see one, two, three different types. Two UK plug, three, and the Russian one, four. You don't need to do anything, just to remove it, just tap it like this. It's a bit tight. See, you can remove this. You can connect the, I'm going to use the UK. Now it's become UK plug. Now I will show you the setup, how it is. So I have connected the adapter and putting it on the charger. So it's charging now. Takes some time to switch it on. So we can start setting up. So you need to select the password, Wi-Fi, and Delta password. So once you entered the password, it will ask you to select the controller, main controller. It will automatically come. So there is some new software available, so it's updating, so it will take time, maybe 10 minutes. So we'll come back after 10 minutes. So the update has finished. So now the next thing is, you can see here my camera is a bit there is some issue. So you can see that you need to select the area you want to use this remote. So I'm selecting it. So I selected. So it's assigning to the room. So you see this, it came now. So select the room. You can see that buttons, everything that I have created: tune in, listen, watch, some of the sources which I have added in the main screen. Also you can select the rooms you want. So also there is a deezer also I have configured. Even if you go to the rooms, you can see I have not added that much of configuration, only the audio and video in this. So if you go to the watch, you can see the same thing which I have configured. In the listen, you can see that I've configured the tuning, Tidal, Deezer, and Spotify, AirPlay, everything. So there is an option, you can see this, if you press this home button, it will directly redirect to the main screen. And these buttons are for the, if you are watching the TV, you can change the channels. This is for the volume, this is for the mute button, this is for the room off, same like the old remote. And this is for the menu, in case if you want to select in the source any menus. And this is the buttons. So other than this, the main advantage is you don't need a Control4 composer to configure this one. Once you connect to the Wi-Fi, if you have a EA5 or any controller you have in your network, then automatically you can select the room you want to configure. So it's easy to set up, but it takes, in the beginning it takes maybe 10-15 minutes to set it up. That's it. Once done, you can start watching. It's a good remote that you can utilize it for anything like audio, video. In case if you have a curtains, lighting, everything, you can use it. But here I have configured only audio and video, that's why it's showing only these things. Other than then normally it comes lighting buttons, shades, then so many other functionalities you can add it in the main screen. So I will also show you how in the composer what all the features are showing in the composer. So once you add the remote into the network and select the room, automatically this NEEO remote will come on the room which you selected, and this will have all the details: remote IP, the IP address of the remote, MAC address, the firmware version, so many things. So these are the main things. Then also it has some features that you can see it. You can lock the room, like lock the room means you can then the users cannot select any other rooms. That's a good feature. And the session, like on the zone, if someone is watching, then that session you can disable it. Then also it will have same like the Control4 button, the SR250 and 260. You can see the navigator in the television that you can enable and disable. And this is the hardware options. So also I also do this one, disable Wi-Fi sleep. That is a problem sometimes. If you disable that one, if it goes sleep mode, then if the user take the remote to watch it, it takes some time to come up, so better to enable it. But this one, if you set, if you enable, then they are saying already the high power Wi-Fi mode consuming more battery. It's fine because we are always keeping in the dock, right? Also, this is for the now playing buttons. Then this is for the pop-up options, like confirm the, when you pressing the room off, it will show you the pop-up. Also, it will show the volume pop-ups. Other than this, you can create some custom buttons on this one that you want to do some additional features, like if you have any scenes you want to turn it on by using the custom button, you can just add it, and you can go to this same like in the SR 260 and 250. But the main advantage is, if you are creating this custom button, for the time being I'm creating like test, okay, then you can program it, this one. If you go to the programming and select the room, yeah, then select the remote, you see that that button has come, right? So you can program it like when that button press, you can do some events to execute, like lighting scenes or shade to be closed, or so many things you can add it with the custom buttons. So that's it, these are the main features. I'm not showing the how this operates using the from the TV, but you can try it out from your side. These are the main features, and this is how normally configure the NEEO remote. Thanks for watching.